So this is the app to log in and download the invoice of electricity. First, you tap to the red area on the top of the app, and they require you to provide a phone number. If you already registered, you just sign in with your phone number. Then tap to the red area and you provide the password. If you already have the account, it means you have the password already. Next. Now you already sign in and you tap the red area to come back the main screen. Now you are in the main screen and you tap the plus sign on the top to provide the PE code. Like this unit have the PE like this. After provide the PE, tap the red area more like this. And if the information correct, we also tap the red area. Now we already connect to the PE of this apartment. You check again the address and everything. If it's okay, you tap the red area again. Yeah, you can see on the top of the app there is one PE already connect and the account is your phone number. Now you see that the icon, if it had the bill icon, you see 4 icons on the top and you choose the icon that showing the bill, the first one. And after you choose, you can see the bill information. If the bill already paid, it had the green tab. If it haven't paid yet, it had the yellow tab. And to see the bill, you just click to the eyes icon to see the bill. You can see how much you need to pay, and you can check the index of the bill, many useful information. You also can check the bills in the past also. This is on.